ब्रेन फ्री तो रहा है। Probably चंकी पांडे का ब्रांड एक्सपेक्टेशन वर्सेस रियलिटी। Sorry, I would like to take my words back. Black ओए how cute, ये इतनी ही वाइट इसके लिए काफी थी। Excuse me, I love the Vatavaran। आप ऐसे उम्मीद ज्यादा रख मत लेना, काफी ज्यादा पिटी पिटाई हो चुकी है इस टाइम पर ये आइसक्रीम। Almost as old as I am, it's gone through a lot। हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। आज हम फिर से यहाँ पर आप और मैं इस गाड़ी में एकत्रित हुए हैं फॉर पार्ट 2 ऑफ टेस्टिंग वायरल आइसक्रीम्स। बिकॉज अगेन आजकल द मार्केट इज फ्लडेड विद सो मेनी इंटरेस्टिंग आइसक्रीम्स जो कि इतनी ज्यादा यूनिक है दैट आई हैव टू ट्राई देम ऑल बिफोर द समर एंड्स। मैंने इसका पार्ट 1 ऑलरेडी किया है, अगर आपने नहीं देखा है प्लीज गो वॉच इट एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट पार्ट 2 बिकॉज आई हैव अबाउट 10 to 12 इंटरेस्टिंग आइसक्रीम्स दैट आई एम गोना टेस्ट टुडे। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। बहुत ही छोटी सी यहाँ पर मेरे पास -30 की सिसिलियन पिस्ताशियो मिनी है विच ऑनेस्टली लुक सो क्यूट। ऐसे मुझे लग रहा है कि साबुन का डब्बा है। दिस इज वीगन एंड नो एडेड शुगर एंड इट हैज ओनली 42.87 कैलोरीज। आई लव एवरीथिंग पिस्ताशियो, तो मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस इससे ऑलरेडी बहुत छोटू। And this is 114 rupees की। Honestly, so cute, but this tiny 2-bite ice cream is 114 rupees. One bite and I feel like it's worth it. Brain free तो रहा है। Pistachio का flavor is bang on and it feels like real pistachio. I hate ice creams which have like a fake pistachio flavor, but this one's actually legit. I love it. Maybe 1 mark मैं काटने वाला हूँ for the price, but otherwise this is 9 on 10. Up next is the brownie cupcake ice cream sundae from Baskin Robbins। ये 130 rupees की है। Dark chocolate brownie cake topped with vanilla flavored ice cream, chocolate flavored confectionery and chocolate coated crispies। अभी मैं कोरिया गया था, वहाँ के Baskin Robbins was mind blowing, insane। and वहाँ पर मैंने क्या क्या ट्राई किया था आइसक्रीम, and these are all ice creams by the way। and यहाँ पे मुझे क्या खाना पड़ रहा है which is quite sad, but let's find out how it tastes। okay, this is giving a little bit of Neurala's का hot chocolate fudge। chocolate sauce का taste is very artificial and medicine-y. It's giving very sasta quality chocolate to be honest. The vanilla flavored ice cream is quite nice, but overall I wouldn't want to have more than 1 bite of this because थोड़ा सा fake flavor vibes है। I'm gonna rate this a 4 on 10. This ice cream tub is orange and apricot। बहुत ही interesting flavor है। I don't think I've ever tried an orange apricot flavored ice cream, although इसका color is quite tacky and disgusting। मुझे इसका color ये बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आ रहा है। So I'm hoping that the taste redeems this अप्सरा आइसक्रीम टब। कुछ हो रहा है मुझे इतना ब्राइट कलर देख के। ये पता है कैसा लग रहा है? जो आइसी ऑरेंज बार का एक क्रीमी पीच आइसक्रीम के साथ बेबी हुआ है। It's honestly tasting like that. Flavor is bang on and even the texture is surprisingly, I don't know how that's even possible. I don't know अगर ये उन्होंने attempt भी किया है कि नहीं, but it's icy and creamy का एक बहुत ही अच्छा mixture and it's nice and sweet but also with that tang from the orange. This one's really working for me surprisingly. I will ignore the color and rate this a 10 on 10. Never heard of this brand. ये probably चंकी पांडे का brand है which is called Call Me Chunky and ये इनकी berry cheesy dream ice cream है which is supposed to be like a berry cheesecake flavored ice cream. Oh, this also has a spoon inside which looks very very cute. Packaging actually इनकी काफी ज़्यादा अच्छी है। It's giving very fun and Gen Z and this is what it looks like. I can see थोड़ा सा specks of the berry and थोड़ा सा specks of the biscuit in the ice cream already which is very exciting. Let's see how it tastes. It has the biscuit bits which taste amazing. Strawberry ka flavor is also there which is subtle but it's still very very nice and you get that aftertaste of the cream cheesy slightly tanginess which is amazing. This actually tastes very much like a cheesecake which is a very pleasant surprise. I'm gonna rate this a 10 on 10. ये Frubon का 100 rupees का Black Forest ice cream pastry है which is looking a little cheap to be honest right now. उल्टा मैंने खोल दिया है। This is what it looks like. ओए how cute। अंदर एक छोटी सी स्टील की स्पून भी दी है इन्होंने which is actually quite nice। जो इनका आउटर पैकेजिंग था वो क्यूट नहीं लग रहा था but this is giving quite ऐसे घर घर खेलने वाला vibe। I quite like that। looks के बेसिस पे अगर मैं इसको मार्क करूँ तो ये ज्यादा पॉइंट्स नहीं ले पाएंगे because थोड़ा सा तो this is looking ugly if I have to be honest, but let's see। All right। ये क्यों इतना लो क्वालिटी गंदा चॉकलेट यूज करते हैं? लाइक जस्ट द फ्लेवरिंग दैट दे पुट इन द केक, द चॉकलेट फ्लेवरिंग दैट दे पुट इन द केक इज सो आर्टिफिशियल दैट इट पूरा kills the mood and the vibe. And honestly, I feel like there's much better options available in the market. We in 2026 don't need to be eating इतना artificial chocolate flavor at all. ये इतनी ही bite इसके लिए काफी थी. I'm gonna rate this a 3 on 10. I love Frozen Fun का gelato. This is their salted butter caramel, which sounds really good. Ooh, excuse me. That looks so yum. इन्होंने भी ऊपर एक स्पून दी हुई है. This is the kind of indulgence I want if I'm opening a tub of ice cream and if I'm eating an ice cream. This, oh, I love the texture. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मेल्ट हो रहा है इस टाइम पे. ये जो I love the Vatavaran. Let's try it. So good, this flavor. Bang on. I think this is one of the yummiest ice creams I've had in a very long time. It's nice and salty, not too sweet, but still you get that buttery caramelly mouthfeel, and there's also some chewy bits in it and also some shards of chocolate, which is just perfect. Honestly, a 10 on 10. I have always loved cassata growing up, so this is very exciting. It's a chocolate version of cassata and इसमें काफी सारे elements है, which is very interesting. No added sugar and 5 grams of protein. वैसे हम जब बचपन में हमने कभी नहीं सोचा होगा कि आइसक्रीम में भी प्रोटीन मिल पाएगा हमें at one stage of life. थोड़ा सा ये expectation versus reality यहाँ पर हो रहा है, because जितना अच्छा ये पैकेजिंग पे लग रहा है उतना ही बुरा ये एक्चुअली में लग रहा है. काफी ज्यादा पिटी पिटाई हो चुकी है इस टाइम पर ये आइसक्रीम, but it's got a layer of sponge, then there's ice cream and ऊपर coated nuts. इन्होंने तभी पैकेजिंग पे ना इतना बड़ा लिख दिया है. Images are only for representative purposes, ताकि आप ऐसे उम्मीद ज्यादा रख मत लेना, पर मैंने फिर भी रख ली थी. इसमें ऊपर देखना कितने बादाम लगाए हुए हैं एंड एक्चुअली में मुझे क्या मिला है वो भी आप एक बार देख लो. So reality is very far-fetched from the image which is meant for representation purpose only. But we shall with an open mind try and taste this. It's not bad, but it's not slapping, if you know what I mean. And the chocolate ice cream is too bitter for me. I don't like it so much. Overall, like, this doesn't feel sweet at all. If you're a fan of ice creams which are not sweet tasting, I think this is something that you can go for, because as I said, it's not bad at all. Just not my cup of tea, my slice of ice cream. I'm gonna rate this a 7 on 10. So guys, Coffee Bar just joined our Karo Bar. This is Amul की 20 rupees की coffee ice cream lolly, which इसका packaging looks like it was designed in 1996, almost as old as I am. थोड़े से guys हालत खराब हो रखी है इसकी अभी at this point in life. Oh god, it's gone through a lot, and it's honestly वैसे it's looking very rustic and it's looking appealing in its own unique way. It's giving Choco Bar but with coffee, which is interesting because I love Choco Bar. Imagine Choco Bar with a kick of coffee and just slightly better. I love it. It's nice and creamy. The coffee is perfectly bitter. 10 on 10. This looks so fancy and premium. It's called the Boss Bar with the goodness of milk. इन्होंने honestly बेचारों ने बता दिया है कि जो chocolate covering है that is compound chocolate and the flavor is tiramisu. Let's try. I love the packaging. It's trying to be like, honestly अंदर का this thing is also very magnum coated, so we know they're trying to be like a magnum situation. Even the shape of the bar and the stick is very similar. This is what it looks like. Let's try this. It is actually tasting a lot like a very yummy creamy tiramisu. I love the texture of the ice cream inside, and even the compound coating doesn't taste bad at all actually. I just wish like it had a more coffee flavor. It's too subtle for me. I'm gonna rate this an 8 on 10. I was actually waiting कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया कि हर चीज में पिस्ताशियो कुनाफा है, सिर्फ आइसक्रीम का कोई पिस्ताशियो कुनाफा फ्लेवर नहीं है. And Vadilal has just changed that. This is their Bada Bite Kunafa ice cream. Experience the viral fusion of Dubai-inspired chocolate and pistachio kunafa crafted into a delicious ice cream. I love the visual जो उन्होंने बाहर डाला है. Makes it look very tempting. Oh, and even inside, this actually looks really cool. You can see the pista and kunafa in the shell also outside. Green color मुझे already अंदर से I can see a little bit, and it looks a little fake. जितना मुझे इससे एक्साइटमेंट था, honestly उतना ही disappointing है. There's no pistachio का flavor at all in this, surprisingly. And as I said, the color also looks extremely fake, and I hate मैंने जो इस गाड़ी में इतनी आइसक्रीम गिरा दी ऑलरेडी. क्या बोल रहा था मैं? हाँ, that the color also is extremely fake and I hate when even in this age and era brands add इतना artificial color and flavoring to the ice cream and it doesn't taste anywhere close to the real pistachio. I'm gonna rate this a 2 on 10. This is Apsara ice cream का pine berry passion flavor. This has got pineapple and cranberry and to be honest देखने में थोड़ी सी boring types लग रही है but I'm hoping that it'll be big on flavor. I can see थोड़े से pineapple के strands and there's also very few but dried cranberries भी है अंदर. Ooh, texture seems quite nice. पाइनएप्पल का फ्लेवर इज यम. इट्स नाइस एंड स्वीट. इट्स जो कॉकटेल वाला पाइनएप्पल नहीं होता जो शुगर सिरप में डेल मोंटे का कैंड आता है पाइनएप्पल व्हिच इज फ्लोटिंग इन शुगर सिरप. इट्स टेस्टिंग लाइक दैट व्हिच आई पर्सनली लव. क्रैनबेरी आल्सो इज एडिंग अ नाइस टैंग टू इट. इंटरेस्टिंग, वेरी यूनिक फ्लेवर. आई रेट दिस एन 8 on 10. मैंने इस ब्रांड के बारे में कभी भी नहीं सुना. इट्स इन्फिनो premium ice cream and the flavor is Comet Pecan. 365 rupees का tub है. I love the packaging. I love how premium it feels and this is also made in India which is nice. I don't know why I've never heard of this brand. Looks very good. काफी ज़्यादा promising लग रहा है. Let's try this. Not bad, but I'm not a fan of the texture. इतना ज़्यादा creamy feel नहीं हो रहा है. And even in terms of the flavor and sweetness, it's not hitting. It's very subtle and it's almost tasting like too weak in terms of flavor. And even the mouth feel is a little oily जो aftertaste है. So honestly, for the price that you'll pay for this tub, I personally don't think it's worth it. And I love usually caramelly, pecan-y ice cream, but इसका flavor is not slapping at all. I'm gonna rate this a 4 on 10. Guys, अभी सुबह के 11:30 हुए हैं. मैंने ऑलरेडी इतनी ज्यादा शुगर कंज्यूम कर लिया that I think I'm going to be on a sugar rush all through the day. This was a lot of fun. मुझे कमेंट्स में बताओ कौन सी आइसक्रीम आपको सबसे ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगी. एंड अगर कोई और आइसक्रीम्स हैं जो मुझे ट्राई करनी चाहिए, is there a way that I can do part 3 of this series? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video.